I'm going to talk about building a first aid kit in this video. So if you want to build a serious custom first aid kit to meet all of your needs, that's what I'm going to be discussing in this video. So purpose considerations here. You want to consider where your kit's going to be used. Is this a vehicle kit? Is this a household kit? Is this a going on a hike kit, marine kit for your boat? And what types of injuries and illnesses could you expect to occur where you're going to be using this kit? You know, what types of stuff do you expect on a boat or on your plane or in your car or at your house? And what tools and supplies do you need to treat such injuries and illnesses? Now, I like to start with a starter kit. And sometimes that can be multiple kits as well. I'll go to a store where they sell first aid kits and build on a proven first aid kit. So that could be your local drugstore, like your local Walmart, your local sporting goods store, military surplus, any of those places. Most of the time those guys will sell first aid kits. Even gun stores oftentimes sell first aid kits. So it just depends on what you're looking at too. You want to have those previous considerations in mind when you're looking at this first aid kit and see what comes closest to meeting your needs or which multiple kits do, and then figure out, that's your starting point. And then I would add the additional instructions, additional tools, additional supplies, and then figure out what that final container size needs to be, what's actually going to contain this the way you need it too. If it's a marine kit, you probably want it to be waterproof. Not as important in an automobile or in your house, but make those considerations as well. The size and the type of container. You might consider something waterproof. Maybe even a fishing tackle kit if it's a waterproof kit. An ammo can would work very well for a lot of things. It would work great for a first aid kit in a lot of cases. But I would add all those extra things that you need to your kit to make it what you need it to be. Thank you for watching.